back to my YouTube channel. This is Shweta, working as an assistant professor in agriculture department in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about the major thing and the major project works generally done on food products is to check their shelf life, right? The world generally focus on food product is all about their shelf life, how long it will take. So people are very curious about to know the shelf life of various food products. So I'm going to tell the shelf life of fruits in a different way, like by using design thinking approach. Like I'm going to take a problem, I'm going to make guys understand this problem and what are the innovative methods we can do, and we are going to evaluate our prototype and how we are going to implement our idea. Introduction. As we all know, shelf life is generally called as a duration of food products stays safe and good for consumption with the good quality. It depends on various types of factors like microbes, temperature, moisture, packaging, and storage, etc. By knowing shelf life, we can also check the reducer food spoilage and ensure the final consumption of consumers. It also very important to for their brand reputation for many processing units. So empathize, like first we are going to identify the problems. What are the problems? Like for consumers, they want fresh safe food with longer shelf life. So yeah, uh, we farmers processors are running to satisfy their wish of a consumers, right? So consumers at last they may need their quality and balanced diet for their body, and for retailers they require stable products for storage and transporters. And farmers processors face many problems like they don't have, if they don't have proper storage, they may faces many losses due to spoilage from many microbes and etc. Many environmental factors are also there. Define. So problem statement like how might the food reduce spoilage and preserve its quality and ensure safety while meeting affordability, like by using moisture migration, temperature fluctuations, oxidation, enzymatic activity, and also by microbial contamination is also very important. Ideate, like I source in picture, like minimal processing and better hygiene is nowadays is like a tagline used by the many processors. Like they want simple neat processing unit uh, to for their clean handling methods to maintain their freshness without heavy processing. Like in this picture we can see IoT based monitoring is there, improved process packaging, like various types of packagings are there, like vacuum packaging, map, cap, and also oxygen scavengers, moisture observers are there, and also they have different types of storage methods like freezing, canning, and etc. These are ideas or possible solutions generally we have to develop a prototype. Another prototype, like we have to develop to overcome the reduction of efficiency in this process, like pre-treatment is very important for develop any prototype. Pre-treatment is nothing but washing to remove the surface contaminants, and blanching is generally done to remove the surface microbes and to inactivate the enzymes in less than 1 minute. And anti-browning tips also very important to prevent caramelization when we are adding sugars in our food products. And there are several types of processing, like drying. Various types of dryers are there: thin layer drying, grass floor dryer, vacuum dryer, tray dryer, lyophilizer are also a dryer. And refrigeration, like vapor compression, vapor absorption methods are used in refrigeration. And canning and freezing is also there. And various types of packaging like map, vacuum, biodegradable packs, and preservations like natural preservatives are also there. Like in atadi cocoa generally we can use as the moisture observer. And various types of coatings like biodegradable coating, edible coating is also there. And storage conditions, temperature, humidity control plays a vital role in any factors which affects the shelf life of food. At last, the main part like test, we are going to evaluate the self life by various methods like color, texture, and taste, nutrient retention like chlorophyll test, vitamin test, and various types of like carotenoid is there, and polyphenol test is there to check their nutrition retention, and microbial quality like TPC, yeast, mold, and bacterial count test, and what is the normal shelf life at room temperature and refrigerator product, and we can also text the packaging integrity and chemical indicators like peroxide value, pH, and acidity, and moisture activity is also generally done to check the water level, to check the shelf life evaluation of any food products. Key samples like these are generally practiced currently like fruits and vegetables like wax coating and generally increases shelf life from 3 days to 10 days in apples, oranges, and any type of fruits. Map packaging, modified atmosphere packaging extends the leafy greens from 1 day to 5 days, like in spinach, coriander, etc. Milk products like pasteurization and refrigeration is generally done to extend the milk products from 3 to 7 days, and the ready to eat foods are there, like retort pouches extend the shelf life up to the 1 year. Conclusion, I'm going to conclude like the shelf life is generally depend on how the food is processing and packaging and storage under which conditions, and also DT approach helps us to design these prototypes very effective and user friendly solutions. So ultimate goal is to reduce spoilage, ensure safety, and maintain quality and minimize food waste. Thank you, we will meet in next video.